right, so here I am under the sink. This is the kitchen sink, and as you can see, this takes too much space. So the problem that I see is when I do this for customers, sometimes the customer will kick it or push it with something, and then they will call you back saying, hey, you didn't fix it right, or something else, and it start leaking. So in order to avoid that, I'm going to try to optimize this like a pipe management and see if I can make it as flat as possible, and I'll show you how it looks like later. As you can see, I got the jug here, and I just remove this, and I'm going to move this, this towards there, and make that shorter so that way it will look better. All right, so you can see I just finished here, so look much better, so you have more space. And if you have to do this for a customer, you're not going to have issues. They can knock it, and they're going to start having leaks. So I have a cast iron in that section. So next step, not today, will be to remove that cast iron and make it a little bit lower. And I'll show you how everything looks like. So as you can see, I have this here. I have the T. It's a little bit uphill. I don't like it the way it is right now, so that is why I'm telling you this. But you have the elbow here, and then it goes here. I have for the dishwasher here, and then I'm going to make this a little bit lower, so I'm going to have it downhill, kind of like that. But other than that, I mean, if you want to do this, amazing. You have much space right now. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you want to keep learning, go to the playlist. I have more videos about plumbing and other stuff. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Alright, so here I'll show you some upgrades that I've been working. So I fixed the pipe. I removed the cast iron pipe that I had in the other side, but I'll show you. So as you can see here, I have a nice downhill over there, and everything looks great. So as you can see, everything is connected. I have the dishwasher because I have a desk, this type of portable dishwasher, and I have it here, there. Everything looks great. So that way, you see, I have a lot of more space here to work on anything. And if you have to do anything, like this for customers, the customer will be way happier. The only thing I have to do later is I have to grab a zip tie, put it like this, organize it maybe a little bit here, the pipes, put the hoses, the water hoses, put them against the wall, clean up here a little bit, but that's it. So this is the final result. So if you like something like that, let me know in the section below, or if you have any suggestions, let me know as well. So I'll show you the corrugated pipe that I had, and it was a pain in the butt. I'll show you. So this is the corrugated thing, and I was having bad smell in the kitchen. So as you can see, it's getting when you have these type of things, all the things, the food and everything gets trapped here and gets nasty inside. So as you can see, so it's better to avoid this type of contraptions, and your life will be better, no smells, and everything will look much better.